Fáilte Chití and B part. So you are going to need the following ornaments. Okay, so you're going to need a couple of rolls. You're going to need a high F roll. To review that, click here. You're going to need a high G roll. Click here to review that. And you are also going to need a high A roll. Okay, you're going to need a couple of pips. You're going to need a high A pip. You're going to need a high G pip. And finally, you're going to need some cuts. You're going to need a high A cut. And you're going to need a high F cut. Okay, so go through them if you are feeling a bit rusty, and then let's lash into it. Okay, so here's B part for us. Sounds like this. Okay, so the notes go D, F, A, then D, F, A, then again D, F, A, and then you just go down A, F, D. But we're going to learn it in a tiny little bit of a different structure so you get the articulation. Okay, so first of all I want you to go. So you're going to go D, F, A, D, and you're going to go tongue, tongue, slur. Try that with me. Hein, do. Intak, mahu. Now I want you to go. So it's F, A, D, and you're going to go tongue, slur. Try that. Hein, do. Intak, mahu. Now I want you to go. So you go tongue, slur, F, tongue, tongue. Okay, try that. Hein, do. Mahu. Okay, now we're going to try to put them all together. Hein, do, tree. Excellent. And as you can see, I totally squeaked there, and I'm not going to edit that out because you know what? We all squeak from time to time, and that's okay, right? So, good luck, and whether you squeak or not, enjoy. Prosado. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is one of the hardest phrases I have ever had to teach, okay? C natural to high E is the interval I find most difficult on twin whistle. Now, everybody's different. Maybe you will be really lucky and it'll be totally easy. I hope it is. But if you're like me, then don't be hard on yourself. Do you know what? It's hard. It'll just take a bit of extra work, but don't worry, it will come, right? Now, what's even harder is doing this slurred, which is what we have to do here. So maybe assign an extra 10 minutes and an extra portion of patience for yourself on this part, okay? What we're going to go is C natural, E, G, C natural, and you're going to go tongue, tongue, slur. Try that. 1, 2. Okay. Good woman, good man, fair play to you. Next phrase. The dreaded G and C occurs. You're going to go E, high G, C, E, and you're going to go tongue, slur, tongue. Okay, so listen to this. And try and do that. Okay, mahu. Now, how about we try the third section? Easy after the previous. Okay, you just go G, pip, F, E, and you're going to go slur. Right? So let's try it all together. Hein, do, tree. Intak, mahu. Give 5. Ein, do, tree. So, frosted tree. First section. So you're just going to go roll, G, and slur. Let's try that. And do. And you take a breath after that. Okay. Now, next section. So you're going to go G, cosh, G, A, E. Now, you go tongue, slur. Try do. Let's try that. And then you just finish off with 2 notes. F, G, tongue, tongue. Okay, so how about we try all them together? Hein, do. Okay, mahoo. In the tree. Frostcar. So, first little section. High F, cut, E, D, C natural, and it goes slur, hein, do. Let's try that now. Okay, now you're going to go lovely and easy. A, G, A, and it's tongue, slur. Okay, and now try that with me, hein, do. And then a lovely little trio of notes to end. Watch out for your snaky C sharp. D, C sharp, D. Breath. Okay? So all together it sounds like this. Sorry. Okay? Mahoo. In the tree. Íntac, mahu. So now we're going to do a lovely variation in Frosahin, and this is just really nice. You get to take a breath in the middle of it, but it actually upsets the rhythm a little and introduces a note in a way that it's really compositionally interesting, I think. So it sounds like this. Okay, so here goes to start off with D, F, A, D, just like you did before. Tongue, tongue, slur. Try it with me. Then you take a breath, and then you're gonna go. So you're gonna go A, D, A, F, and it's slur, tongue, tongue. Okay, so try that. Hein, do. Mahoo, fair play. Now we're just going to put, sorry, onto that. So it's just high A, cut, G, F. High E is the next note of the next phrase. We'll ignore that. So you're going to go slur. So try that with me now. Íntac. So now how about we try that all together. Hein, do. Íntac. And just a little note, watch out because that little AGF is going to go down to an E and it's all slurred. Okay, so B or ara. Okay, so now we're going to do a variation on phrase 2, and it's a kind of a continuation of the lovely variation we did in phrase 1. Okay, so same idea, you kind of invert the order of the notes. It sounds like this. So you go high E, C. Now try that, and you're going to go here, you'll have slurred into the E from the previous phrase, and then you're just going to tongue the C. So try that. Ready, go. Okay. Next little bit, you're going to go G, E, C, and it's going to go slur, tongue. Try that. Okay, mahu. Next little bit is identical, so you do it again. And then finally you finish with your just like your original phrase 3, just like your original phrase 2. So it's just G, pip, baffy, slur, right? So the whole thing sounds like this. Technically challenging, like I said before, because of your C naturals and your E's, but Genie, so cool, so worth it. So now we're going to try our variation of Frost Hain Nugs Frosto all together, okay? 1, 2, 3. Íntac, mahu. Okay, here's a variation on phrase 3. It sounds like this. So it's a really lovely, simple, nice little one. You just go F, A, F. So you're tonguing into the F from the previous phrase 3, phrase 2, and then you just go slur, tongue, slur, and then you're going to continue a slur there. But for the sake of it in isolation, it sounds like this. Tongue, tongue, tongue. Okay. Now, next thing you're going to do is nice and easy. You just go G, roll, A, roll, E, and you slur it all. So it sounds like this. And you finish off with 2 little notes, F, G. Okay. So altogether, that variation of phrase 3 sounds like this. We're going to do a variation in the phrase 4, so we can take a breath. We're just going to go. So, first of all, you go F, breath. Obviously, dead easy. And then you're going to go just like before. So, you know that already. And then finally, you're going to finish off by bringing a little run in, E, F, G. So you go into your A with a wow factor for the third part, okay? Okay, so you go E, F, G, slur. And it's actually slurred from the D, so maybe practice going slur, D, F, G. Okay, so let's put all those 3 little bits together now. You're going to go. And now you're all the way into the C part in a fabulous way. Wahoo. Íntac, mahu. 1, 2, 3. Mahu. Hindotri.